Telugu Unboxer and Tech. So today we are going to see a very useful app for the beginners, solvers of different types of cubes and mainly Rubik's Cube. So I have a very good app called Rubik Cube Solver. So let's open and see its interface. So we need a stable internet connection for this app. Not a stable, we can have a very low internet connection also. We can use this app. So here we have almost 6 options and 5 options of cubes to solve and learn. Rubik's Cube, Pocket Cube, Scube, IV Cube and Pyraminx. And we also have a timer. So let's see what is the use of the timer. So first let's see how to use this app. So here we should add our colors, like it gives an option like we can turn a cube and add colors accordingly, and there it will give an option to solve. So here I have not entered the right values, so it's not saying. So if we enter the right values, it may also give a suggestion that if your cube is twisted or not. So it's a very useful cube solver app. Next we have option to learn Rubik's Cube over here. Like if we are beginners for a Rubik's Cube, we can learn. Instead of using a solver, we can learn the Rubik's Cube. Like it has very useful steps and useful information about the Rubik's Cube, so that you can solve it accordingly. And its interface is very easy to understand, and it has timer settings. We can do 2 seconds, 1 second, 3 second, 4 second, 5 second according to your speed and the flexibility of your Rubik's Cube. It has in just 8 steps here. In just 8 to 10 steps, we can solve a Rubik's Cube if we follow this cube solver. So here we also have Pocket Cube, Scube, IV Cube and Pyraminx. And the most useful thing of this app is the timer. Yes, the most useful thing about this app, and the most, what can we say, like here we can scramble according to it gives some different and hard shuffling patterns. Like scramble for Rubik's Cube, we can select any pattern or any puzzle, and here in 30 moves it can be like we can shuffle it. And here we have ready tap to start. That means who have learned the Rubik's Cube and want to achieve a speed can use this. Like it's just a mere timer. And here we have settings like step by step or manual. And here about this app, it's given. So I think this is a very good app for the beginners who are willing to learn about the Rubik's Cube. Thank you, and today's like target is 5.